Alright, hi, yeah, me again, fortunately. Still doing this. Alright, well, I don't have anything interesting to talk about. I've been, playing PS2 again. You know, the, 20th anniversary. Sorry, just getting my stuff. Ooh, dumpster ammo. Not dumpster. You get it. Oh, what the? Oh, alright, hi, back. Sorry. Someone came in. I think. Either that or I'm just hearing things now. Don't know which one's worse. I remember in the original, you could find, like, body armor here, and then never again. Like, exclusively this one place. I've always wanted to, like, learn how to use hammer editor. It's fucking insane, man. It's like the coolest shit ever. Like, imagine being able to make maps like this, but like for the Source engine. That'd be sick. I want to do that. I just don't know how, because I'm too scared to look up a tutorial and... Oh god. A dumbass that wants to learn on his own. Ow! God damn it! Alright, there we go. I should be using my gun more, huh? If any good horror game has taught me something, it's use your gun first, then switch over to your knife. Oh, like Silent Hill Remake. The key strat in that game is just to shoot them in the leg, then combo them with a pipe or the plank or whatever you have. Not the great knife though, because that was in the original, and I can see why they cut it, honestly. Like, I know it's already absurd that James is carrying around like a rifle and a shotgun and all this and that, and you know, but the a giant fuck-off knife is a little bit much. Easy. Well, not easy, just, you know. Ah! I'm afraid of monsters! Alright. I've learned that the key strat for, like, shotgun in this game, and I think in Cry of Fear as well, is just to use it as, like, a glorified melee weapon. Because it's, like, super good up close. I'm sorry, I don't really talk that much when I have any good dialogue or... Oh god! Okay! Nope, 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 nope. I'm good, 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 I'm good. Let me in! Okay, okay, we're fine, we're fine. This is... okay, we're fine. I don't like those enemies. They make me use ammo. And I want my ammo. And batteries, so too. You little... God. Oh, okay, okay. This is getting out of hand. I should be using my gun. Oh. Wait, is that just the strat? Like, smack them twice and... or knife once, shoot twice. Never mind. There you go. Easy does it. Good God, what is wrong with me? Yeah, a lot of things. Okay, alright then, manhunt. Oh. Hi there. Bye. On some. Okay. Oh man, I remember trying to play through this with friends on Sven Co-op, and oh, not you again! I hate these enemies, man. Oh god, no, I hate them. I hate them. God damn spiders! Not, I know they don't look like spiders, but still, it scares me, and I hate spiders. And god damn it, what am I doing? Sorry, just a little bit thrown off there. Man, I'm not even gonna hide it. I really do. I am not good at all. Holy shit. That's like the Total Chaos thing. The swinging lights. I know. That is amazing. Holy shit. Oh, I love that. Okay. No, not again. No. Okay. So 2 blasts up close, and 2 shots. But then again, it's not like I know the damage fall off, so I can't really be smart about this. Nice. Oh yeah, this is like the one room in the entire game that scared me. Oh, I hate that. I actually hate that. Oh my god. I don't know why, it's just this one portrait that terrifies me. And it's so stupid too, it's just like generic Sonic.exe bleeding blood, or crying blood, or whatever. Bleeding blood. What, yeah, what else do you bleed? Those are some weird footstep sound effects. It's like, hey, I knew. I don't know what I'm saying, but this game's a goddamn time capsule. It's gonna pop up somewhere. Right, and we just... There we go. I should have really started trying to get the L85. Think about like ending 1 and ending 4. Or ending 3 and ending 4, I'm not sure. Either one. Okay, I know there's a spider down here. So, or no, that's even worse. You little... No, I'm not doing this. I'm not dying that thing. I'm gonna lock in. No, you're not gonna scare me the second time, yet. I need heals or pills or something, or... Am I just gonna have to raw dog this fight? It sounds bad, but it's basically what I'm doing. Alright. Quick save. Oh, never mind. This is way easier. Huh. There you go. Easy does it, I guess. Play smarter, not harder. I need something. Oh, god damn! I was not expecting you. Hello. Okay. Whew. I'm alright. Hello. There we go, nice. It sounds like whispering from the start of the game. Why am I checking my corner so hard? Hello there. Yeah, that's why I'm checking my corner time. Low on health! Very nice. I thought I was saying very nice. Yeah, finally. Okay, thank God. Come on. Okay. Yeah, this game really makes you feel like an addict. Hide. Okay. I need to stop, like, being so goddamn scared. I've played this game before. What am I? Afraid of monsters? Ha 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 ha! Laugh, please, God. No. Nice. Yeah, Dead Eagle, nice. Sick. The Lightning Hawk. Now we are back in business. Now we are walking. No! I was so close to wasting a magnum round at you, you little piece of... Oh. What a surprise, the door is locked. The door won't budge. Speaking of, like, voiceover and whatnot, I've been working on my, well, I've been trying to work on my, silent accent, because I can do the voice, I think. I like it. Well, I like to think so I can, yeah. What the hell? Who was he? I gotta call the police. Yeah, see, I can't do it. I can't fucking do it. Because I suck at voice acting. Anyways, I should probably get back to playing the actual game, because it's just turning into an hour-long therapy session for me. People cope with their problems in weird ways. Some people, you know, seek solace in alcohol. Some people end up, hurting themselves, which is not good. Well, no, shit, it's not good, but it's not good. I don't know why I choose to play early 2000s or 2010s horror games. Well, indie horror games. I think there's one I played just a while ago. What's the name? Name Breach. I can't. I talk too fast. SCP Containment Breach. God. Okay, nice. That's the one. That's the name. I'm sorry. I sound so disjointed in these videos. I don't know what I'm doing half the time. Speaking of know what I'm doing. Bastard. Alright, we're good. Also, I just noticed, the tip on the bullet is orange. It's kind of weird. Because in Cry of Fear, when you reload, well, reload the Glock at least, you can see the bullet in the magazine. And for some reason, they chose to make the bullet tip, like, gray or black or whatever one. Those are very short lengths of rope. Hi! Bye! Oh, man. No. Stop. Thank you. God, if only I had a crowbar right now. That'd be nice. Gordon Freeman, save me. Gordon Freeman saved my life. Can I just... There you go. That's a cheese threat. Alright, ammo, that's good. 68 rounds. Well, technically, like... Fuck, I tried to do math in my head there for a second and it sounds smart, but... yeah. Like 81 rounds, I guess, in total? Like going to the chamber? Not in the chamber, the magazine in the gun. Oh, okay. Yeah, I mean, to be fair, I'm in no right to speak. I barely learned anything about hammer. Oh, so this is why they were giving me so much ammo. Killed. Aw, no! That was a waste! I should have waited until, like, I was on low health and I needed them. And I could have come back to them. But no, I'm a dumbass. That was a waste bullet there. Got him during the death animation. That is horrible. Oh, God. Oh, hey, that section. There you go. If there's one thing I urge any of you to do, it's to combine this one Cry-Free weapon pack with the Great Monsters campaign and then co-op. Because oh my god, it is so much fun. And but best part is, usually in the thing, you can't, like, in the map, you can't drop your weapons, but you can pretty easily edit the .tfd file and, you know, force it into letting you drop your weapons, so that's always good. Hey, we're making progress. Right. Oh well. It's just pills. What do I need them for? But then again, I might not come back here, so I might well just. Why not? Why not? It's just for convenience's sake. There's no harm in taking them. Ah. There you go. Finally, got it. Here? Oh, I thought you did something bad, but oh well. Okay, who the hell designed this place? Because if they build like ladders and walkways here, then they know for a fact someone's gonna come through here. So what, do they just balance on the pipes? What's the point of this? God damn it. Ah, that's a waste of kill. Oh well. What can a man do? Huh. Let's do here. Hello. Bye. I heard a giving sound effect. That's not good. Ow. Yeah, I play way too much Cry Fear. Good god. I've beaten the game like 23 times, I think. That's just a testament to how mentally ill I am. Yes! Dumpster battery. The dumpster AA, even. I don't know why I always have to mention the things from a dumpster. I think that just makes them funnier automatically. Like, if you say you're taking pills, then that's just normal. It's just usual stuff. But if you say that you're taking pills out of the dumpster, that's when it becomes concerning, and henceforth, funny. Fourth, I mean, you know what, I don't need to fight these guys, I'm just gonna run fast. It's like the main issue with this game. It runs so goddamn fast, you can just leave all the enemies behind. Oh, back down here. I could have expected that. Nope, I'm good. What was this soundtrack used? Because I swear I've heard this in like another Valve game. Wow! That was really easy. You know, maybe I don't suck at this game. Maybe I'm just playing it up. Ah, what am I saying? Being a sucking ass at this. Hello, companion cube. We are gonna go on a journey. Back through here. Ian, okay, thank you. Oh, when I first played this game, that like, scared the shit out of me. Like, just a banging, that was terrifying. What, banging terrifying me? No wonder my goddamn insult. I feel like people are gonna take that literally. Like, people are gonna start actually thinking I'm a goddamn incel. Yeah. You know what? Whatever makes them happy. Oh, hi! I mean, to be fair, I play horror games. I'm already a god. Nope, wait, nope. I'm already a goddamn incel. That's not meant to be a jab at anyone that plays horror games, but I'm just making a jab at myself here. I gotta ask, do I overdo it with the self-deprecation jokes? I feel like I do sometimes. Yay, progress! Yeah! We're making it! I'm actually good at the game! I think. If I took damage, that would have been so damn humiliating. Yeah, I'm good at the game. Takes damage from 3-foot chop. Oh, I know this next part. Nope, 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 nope. Never mind. Maybe I am good. Actually, no, I took a lot of it. I'm not good. Oh well. Oh! You spooked me. Okay, we're good. Wait, I want to try something. What would happen if I... What would happen if I turn this on? Would that just make the game, like, instantly easier? Probably not, but someone tried. Oh my god! It is raining like hell outside. I don't know why you guys would care about that, but... I'm just saying it is. Oh, I like the effect it does with the pistol weapon when you turn on auto-aim. It feels like an old Flash game. And you guys remember, like, Sierra 7 or the Civ Head games or whatever? God, those were good. Ugh, I actually downloaded a bunch of old Flash games a while back. They're .swift files or whatever. I might turn off auto-aim because it feels like I'm just cheesing the game at this point. Alright. Well, this is nice. Doo-doo. Oh! Hi! Doo-doo-doo. Doo-doo-doo. Oh, god damn it! What the hell? I wish I could do the Simon voice better, but you know, it sucks. I need to stop playing so much Afraid of Monsters. I can't do it, man! I can't do it! Well, I'd like to think I can, but then that just makes me feel egotistical. Wait, can I? I'm good at the game. I cannot tell me otherwise. I gotta use a shotgun more. I have like 30 whole cartridges or rounds or whatever. I'm not gonna call them shells. Because there's gonna be like gun nerds and shit that get pissy at me. Wait, I want to test something. Can I jump onto the... Aw. Pussy shit. Oh, I'm good. Nope. Oh, no. I'm turning on auto-aim again. Just actually, wait, I never turned it off. Are there two of you? Just kill me, man. Just kill me. I'm gonna restart. I'm gonna restart from the last checkpoint. I'm back with a vengeance. Got him. Look, Andres, I love you, dude, but holy mother of God, the fucking face enemies in this game. Why am I talking like he's gonna watch this? Easy shit, question mark? Nope, not even. Wait, what? Yeah. 93% battery. Should be a bit more liberal with how I use it. Actually, no, I'm saving it for like... Oh, okay. I'm saving it for like the later half of the game in the forest, because oh my god, it is dark. Hey! Am I just killing the cripple? Like he's doing nothing to me. I feel bad. I am so sorry. Then again, you're also a monster, so I kind of put you out of your misery. No! You bastard, you hurt. How do you take this many hits to die? God damn. When am I gonna get the hammer? I need an upgrade, like, fast. Jesus, that rain is not letting up. Oh, guess I'm stuck in here. Ah, it's another waste. I keep making mistakes, and then I don't learn from them, and so I keep making them, and people just hate me. No. Oh, okay, alright, this is fine. This is... okay. I don't even know why I make these videos, man. I'm just another fucking let's play and whatnot and shit, but... I don't know, man. I want to say I do this because I want to and I like it, but that's the same excuse everyone else uses, so... I don't know, man. Oh, what? From where? Okay. Alright. No. Okay, this is fine. Hey, look at me, I'm making loud noises. Am I funny yet? God damn it. Oh, what am I doing? Oh. Oh, that was bad. Oh my god. Oh, I am so sorry. Oh no. So it's 9 shots with a P228. Nice. Now I've always wondered, why would you go for like the Beretta or the Glock? Especially the Glock in this game, because it scales from like most damage done to highest ammo capacity or rate of fire or whatever. And I'm just left thinking, why would you want a higher rate of fire? Wouldn't you want to like make each bullet count even more so you can do more damage? Like, the thing is, magazines from the other two are still compatible with like any gun. Like, I can pick up like a Beretta mag and use it in the P228. And the game's fine with that. So it would be cool if, you know, they differentiated that for, like, the Glock gets the most amount of ammo, but it does the least damage. Or, like, you know, P228 gets, like, the least ammo, but does the most damage. Kinda like that. But then again, I'm not a game dev, so what do I know? I feel like there's something back there I should have done. Actually, I'm pretty sure there is. Oh, right, I gotta turn on the blue power. Where am I gonna find a blue door? Blue button. Where the hell is this goddamn button? It's gotta be somewhere, right? Actually, why would they give me the key to this if they didn't want me to go through? There's gotta be something back here I have to press, right? But then again, I've already been through here, and I didn't see any buttons, so... There's probably something I'm overlooking somewhere. Let's back up and see what's going on back there. Oh! I forgot I could go through here. Oh, I feel bad using my flashlight this much. What am I doing? I gotta be saving battery. Oof. Okay. That's the blue door open. Okay, we're good. I'm so sorry for anyone that has epilepsy, by the way. I just keep flicking the flashlight and... Oh, hey, that's a trap. I'm just gonna... Quick save. And I'll fall for it. Okay, dude. If only David could, like, reach into that hole. Unlike Silent 2. Reaches into wherever he wants. I know it's meant to be like a metaphor, not a metaphor, but like it's supposed to like represent something like, oh, it's because he's suicidal and doesn't care about his life and whatnot. But then again, maybe he's just stupid. Or maybe he's just, you know, actually just that reckless. And I'm not gonna spoil the game, because it's like one of the best horror games of all time, and everyone should play it at least once. Probably like a remake. Like, everyone thought it was gonna be bad. I don't mean to brag Okay. I don't mean to brag or anything, but I called it was gonna be good. Maybe because I like blind optimism, but I called it, man. I called it. And you shouldn't be like that because you get nothing out of it. And if you hype yourself up and the game sucks, then you just left yourself disappointed. The trick is to, like, you know, not disappoint yourself beforehand, just, you know, be at least a little bit aware that can be bad. So, you know, when it is bad, you're not disappointed. Or, like, you don't feel as bad. Oh my god! Okay, wow, that was... Ouch. Finally! A better melee weapon! I was wrong. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. What? Why are you so fast? What the hell happened to you? What did you snort? And can I have some? Oh, 40 shotgun shells? What the hell am I doing? Can I just... Oh, of course. Because, like, unlike the other 30 explosives in this game, these ones can't be shot. Alright, let's come on the brakes then. Oh my god. You know, sometimes I feel like Cry of Fear was... Like, I'm not because, you know, oh, it's inspired by Silent 2, but... I beg to differ. I think it has a little bit of, Silent 3 in it. Oh my god. I thought I was saying... I feel like Craft Beer has like quite a bit of handheld 3D in its gameplay, its story or whatever. Like, think about it. Like, random teenager wakes up in the middle of like a public place. There's like monsters all around. Hi. They both start with pluck knives, which Simon called a switchblade for some reason. And they have to get back home to like a single parent. And, like, the fact that they don't have a mom is like never explained, or the fact that, you know, they don't have a different parent is never explained. I mean, rather it's kind of explained if you played Silent Hill 1, but then again, you know. What am I doing back out here? Sometimes you just gotta suspend, like, disbelief or whatever. I'm sorry, I don't know what I'm saying anymore. I'm running off like 5 hours of sleep. I'm sorry, I'm sorry, okay? He wasn't trying to hurt me. I'm just a dick. Come on. Back you go. Oh, ooh, it's open. Oh, right, this. Okay, never use this. This sucks. But it has ammo right now, so I'm gonna use it until it's empty, then I'm gonna go back to the shotgun. Yes. 97% battery, you'll love to see it. Like, the Uzi's good, kind of. But then again, you know, it's kind of ass when compared to the shotgun, because shotgun can, like, reliably kill enemies. Uzi, you'd have to keep pumping it into them and hope for the best. Is there anyone I can use this on? Because I don't want to use it for the rest of the game. I want to use a shotgun, but still. I just want to make sure I can empty the mag first. Then I'll go back to my weapon. I know that's going to change later, so I'm not going to use this, but I still want... I want to shoot it at something, okay? I feel bad about this. You know what? Good. I'm happy with that. I'm happy. Here we go. Oh. Not gonna change. Well, oh god damn it! Huh. I have never looked down at her before. Man, this is disgusting if you think. Actually, if you think about it, stuff like this is disgusting. Not only okay, because in Cry of Fear, Simon does the same thing. Like when he gets to Kirkville, he has to like swim through sewers, whatever. And all I can say is that is some dedication right there. Just to see his mom again. Anyways, here we go. Okay, does anyone else in games like these, like, hold their breath to sort of emulate how to feel the feeling? Because I do that. I don't know why. I just do that. Okay. What the hell sort of air vents are these? Leading into sewer water. Ugh. Okay, we're good. Didn't take any damage. No! No thank you! Not today, barnacles. Ugh. I'm good at video games, I swear I am. Ugh. Just to be safe, why not? Okay, if you look closely at the textures here... Yeah, see, that's like barbed wire, and it's making metallic noises, so that implies David is getting pulled up by barbed wire around the neck. And that sounds edgy, But to be fair, it's Team Sesquilar, so... what do you expect? How was that a hit? That was ass. What is... okay, just everyone gets a hit, I guess. It's screwing me, apparently. God. What's wrong with me? Oh boy, a rusty, decrepit barrel. I sure wonder if it's gonna float. Makes no sense. Come on, man. Let me, okay. Hey, it's like a part in Half-Life where you get to see the grunts. Oh, I'm a dumbass. That's the one that changes. So I could have brought the Uzi down here and laid waste to... Evening, gentlemen. I would like to apologize for interrupting you. But this wasn't self-defense, I swear. Oh, okay. Oh, gay. Oh, gay? Okay. Wow. Alright, then. 50 shotgun shells! What am I doing? Okay, wow. This shotgun is so much worse than I remember. Like I said, use it as like a glorified melee weapon. Jesus Christ, what was that? God, that was bad. We're here now. Are you kidding me? No, there's gotta be something more, right? I mean, I opened the door. It's a weirdly high quality model for this mod. Actually, some of you'd seen quite a fear. I never shut up on Cry Fear. I'm so sorry. Oh, now it changes. There we go. I was wrong. Yet again. So, what door did that open? Because I don't really know entirely. I think I've already been up here, right? I'm pretty sure I've been up here. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I've already been up there, so I... Is there like another door down here that I opened? Is this the one? Oh, no, wait, no, I came through here. Come on, there's gotta be something. That had to have done something, right? I think this is the one. But then again, I could just be wrong. I could just be wrong. Oh, yeah, this is the one. Yeah, this is the one. Yeah, see? There you go. It would have worked a lot better if it didn't, like, flip your screen forward and move you like that. Wow, David. You breathe exactly the same as Gordon does. What does this meant to symbolize? He's a Half-Life nerd? Oh, this part, no. Hey, Red Cold Blood. I think that's like another one of I think that's like another game on this work on 4K or whatever. One of the Team Tech Board members. Come on, I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. No, I'm not ready. Nope. I was not prepared for this. Nope. Goddamn subway ambush. No, 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 no. Juke, juke. Sorry. Huh. That was anticlimactic. The hell happened here? How's that on fire? You know what? Not gonna question it. I think I go through here now? Yeah. You know, a while back, I saw there was like this one piece of writing on the wall that said green. And I like to think that's a little bit of foreshadowing for the end of this game. I just spoiled the entire thing, didn't I? I'm so sorry. I am actually so sorry. I don't know why I did that. I really don't. I have no clue why I did that. Wait. Yeah, you get the bread at one of these parts, one of these episodes. This can change what ending you get. But I think I'm good. I'm probably gonna like stop here and then like start 2 different playthroughs where I go down each different path, whatever. Yeah. Thank you for listening to me ramble for like, what was it, like 20 minutes, half an hour? While playing this game. I'm sorry I don't really have anything of substance to say. Anything useful, but yeah. Thanks. See ya.